Hello, welcome back again to another episode of SCADA 123. Today we're going to be covering the Tkinter GUI that is included with Python. This comes in wonderfully handy with anything you want to do, especially including Raspberry Pi, where you'll not have it quite so easily updating to the latest GUIs. Now, to get started, you've got plenty of references for Python on Tkinter everywhere. Problem is, they're generally reference manuals. They don't give you the exact explanation, or you only get a few little parts and pieces instead of the entire thing. So I thought I'd simplify that and just give you sort of an everything thing. Here you see the main page. Now with this, you have multiple frames that you can go to, in addition to all, or pretty much most of the widgets. They're pretty much self-explanatory, so when you go through and you say, I need this kind of a widget, you can pretty much look through the code, find it, and you'll see not only how it's used, but you'll see how to get it. Say, for example, you want to do a radio button. Well, there's your first, get your radio button, and you'll have to look on your printout, then you'll see the response there. Now, say you want to do a scroll. Well, let's just click this. It'll insert some code there. If you want, you can type some stuff. Doesn't really matter. Say you don't want that. You want to clean it out, whatever. Hit the delete scroll. You'll get the option yes or no. Click yes. Gone. You'll see that with all the other widgets. Now to get on with page, let's go from start page to page one. You'll see a checkbox. You'll also see a little box that will let you also do something. Well, you click that, it's going to go to the printout and it'll tell you what the status of the checkbox is. Go return, you go same thing with page two. You get all sorts of different other items there, list boxes, spin box, combo box, return, go to page three. This just kind of gives you a quick example of the other thing you're not going to see, but you will see in the code. This is done with pack. All the others were done with grid. You can mix and match as long as you keep them the same within each frame. Hope this helps. Again, stop by the list underneath and you can go directly to grab it for free, use it and run with it, enjoy it yourself. Thanks a lot for stopping by and watching my video.